Hi guys, this is Jay Singing Vegan Mum, and this week I am going to help you find some products for your Valentine. Yes, this week I am suggesting some lovely vegan gifts. Let's get into it. Hi guys and welcome. My name is Jay Singing Vegan Mum. Now if you've never seen me before, I'm a singer, I'm vegan and I'm a mum. I love to share my vegan food cooking recipes with you, and I share my journey and lifestyle with my two boys. Now this week, why am I here in front of my bookshelf? I'm not in the kitchen. Well, it's going to be Valentine's Day, isn't it? And if you're like me, everything is lastminute.com, right? Even if you haven't got Valentine's to send to, these are great vegan gift ideas that I'm going to share with you any minute now. Now before I do that, don't forget to like and subscribe, because I'm here to offer you lots and lots of ideas on food, music, lifestyle, and I think you're gonna like it. So anyway, it's Valentine's. It's coming in the next week or so. Are you prepared? Are you prepared? So this week I'm going to share some vegan ideas that you might want to buy for your partners. The things that I have chosen is for him or for her. So let's get into it. Now back in the day I have a partner and he would go, oh no, don't you bother and buy me anything, you just look after yourself. And then a couple of days just before Valentine's they'll go, oh, you're not buying me anything. Then I've got to rush around because I believe them. Do you know what I mean? So if you're in that predicament and you're like, what am I gonna buy my partner, male or female or even a friend, I've got some ideas for you. Now the first thing I thought we could do is look at makeup removal. Vegan, biodegradable, eco-friendly. This company is called Eco Warriors and it's a bamboo makeup remover set. Oh, it's very, very, very luscious, and because it's bamboo, it's sustainable and friendly. It's really, really reasonable, but you feel like it's a lovely little treat. You are taking off your makeup cruelty free. That's my first suggestion for Valentine's Day. Give that one a go. So my next tip is beautiful truffles. It's by a company called Bojangles champagne truffles. It is delicious. So can you imagine it? Set the scene. You and your partner, you and yourself, which is just as good. And it's Valentine's Day. You've got your Netflix on. You've got your champagne. You've got your wine. You've had a lovely meal and you settle down to this beautiful champagne truffles. Beautiful, lovely. Give it a go. I think it's a real hit as a gift. And now the next gift I'm suggesting, this is probably for her, but he can use it as well, is a lovely gift box set from Sanctuary, where it's got scrubs, creams, lotions, shower gel, all vegan, smelling divine. Now I have a set like this and I've got to tell you, especially when I want to just kind of, you know, close the world out, get into my bath, lots of bubbles, all. So that's by Sanctuary. So that is my third. Is that my third or my fourth suggestion? I've run out now. If you're looking for an idea for a vegan, or you're just conscious and you want to be a bit more sustainable in your choices, so yes, Sanctuary, beautiful gift box with scrubs, creams, oils. Oh my gosh. And you know, if you know anything about Sanctuary, the smell is absolutely divine. Now staying with the whole gift box set with the creams and the soaps and all that kind of thing, well, we can't leave the men out, can we? Now this one's from a company called Man Care. It's really beautifully packaged, but it's packaged for men. And again, it's got your shower gels, it's got your soap, it's got your creams, it's got balm, and of course it's got aftershave care. It's really beautifully packaged, and I think if you bought this for your young man, I think you'll be onto a winner. So as you know, the whole Valentine's thing is all about sharing, being with your partner and doing things. So I do love a hamper. So this hamper has got beautiful Prosecco and it's got truffles and some beautiful champagne glasses to share. It's very, very luxurious. So try it out. Again, you and your partner, put on some lovely soul music, get the wine out, and pop the Prosecco. You can share the truffles together. Can you imagine it? I'm setting the scene for you, yeah? Everything I'm suggesting here is vegan and sustainable. Give that one a try if you want to have a beautiful, beautiful time. Now this one is really, really fun. It's called You're the Bomb Bath Bombs. It's got 12 bath bombs, different flavors, and just as it says, you throw it into the bath and it fizzes and fizzes and fizzes and smells nice and absolutely smooth and beautiful on the skin. Of course, it is vegan and it is absolutely gorgeous. It's presented and packaged so beautifully. So try those bath bombs. You could actually share the bath with the bath bombs in it, but I don't have to tell you that, do I? So let me remind you that these bath bombs are natural, they're organic, and they fizz, 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 just like your love. Now this next gift is another hamper, and this is by an organisation called Embracing Mindfulness store, and it's beautiful. It's got 7 products, it's got cards with positive mantras on it, and it's got 7 items in there that will help you with your mindfulness, and it's beautifully packaged. But I do love the brown earthy kind of packaging as well. So that's Embracing Mindfulness. Really great present for him or for her. Embracing Mindfulness, 7 different products. So my next suggestion is something that's really affordable, and I'm going to read it because it just sounds beautiful. It's Monty Bojangles Vegan Tower. It's a gift box and it's got 3 different chocolates. I'm going to read it. It is caramel haze, cocoa berry blush and cocoa nib nights, and all 3 truffles are beautifully boxed with cocoa dusted all over them. I'm going to say it again. Monty Bojangles Vegan Tower, 3 gift boxes, caramel haze, cocoa berry blush, cocoa nib nights, cocoa dusted chocolate truffles. 300 grams, 3 times 100 gift box. Oh, it sounds so delicious. This is affordable, but it looks beautiful, so try that out. And finally, a present that I would love to get. It's just a mug and it's called Crazy Vegan Lady. It costs $8.99. I think it's really fun. It's got a great image on the front of a crazy vegan lady. I wonder who that reminds you of. I hope you like my suggestions. If you're stuck and you think, what am I gonna buy for the Valentine in my life? Well, I hope I've helped you out there. Guys, all the suggestions that I've made today are down below in the description box. Give it a go. Go over and purchase something for your beloved. And if you click the links down below, then of course you will be supporting my channel. So I would really appreciate that too. In fact, all these gifts can be used for birthdays, for Christmas, for any special occasion. But because Valentine's is coming, I thought I'd give you some ideas, especially if you've got the vegan in your life, if you have a partner who would prefer to have cruelty-free products. I have chosen a few things that you might like. So guys, check out this channel. There's food, there's music for healthy vegan options. I'm your girl. I'm your girl. Oh, and don't forget to subscribe. So guys, I hope you enjoyed today. Don't forget to subscribe and comment. YouTube love it when you comment as well as subscribe. See you next time.